Hey now, Drew 2 time. I'm walking one of the units in our new quad. Wanted to give you a little tour and talk about how I know what repairs to do when I acquire a property. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. We got a little fireplace. We even got like a little outdoor patio. Somebody can enjoy that a little bit. This is a basic unit. However, when I'm looking at what repairs I need to do, I need to make sure that they are in line with what the comps of the neighborhood do. All right, so for example, I've got some damage to my kitchen countertops. Should I replace these with quartz? Not unless my comps tell me to do so. I don't want to over improve my property. Spending a lot of money on something, I may not ever get rent from that. We've even got washer dryer connections in here. So this will be a good unit for a family, but I need to make sure it's priced properly. I can't price it too high or nobody in this jurisdiction would rent it. And I can't spend too much money on the rehab because I may never see that value either. Here's one of the bedrooms, another bedroom, and then the bath. So I've got some work to do. You saw one of the things in the window there. I've got some repairs and some touch-ups to do, but I don't want to over-improve. I also don't want to under-improve on certain properties either. Pay attention to those comps. That's what tells us what repairs we need. Hey, this is Andrew Postel. Thanks for watching today's Drew 2.